Hi, you might know me, I'm Rick Orlando, and I'm here to announce that I'm launching another food tour of my beloved Sicily in 2020, May 2nd through the 12th. We're taking between 12 and 16 people, and we're going to spend 10 and a half days, 11 days, and we're going to explore the people, the food, the art, the wine, the culture. It is one of the greatest places. Now, you know me, I'm big on farm to table, I'm big on local food, I'm big on the face behind the food. Well, one of the reasons why I love Sicily so much is the entire experience is one of the greatest farm to table experiences you'll ever have. We will have cooking classes in Catania. We will go to the top of Mount Etna to a winery and taste the beautiful Etna Rosso and the Grillo. We'll also visit the magnificent Agrigento, where we will visit the Valley of the Temples and see some of the most amazing Greek ruins in the Mediterranean. We're also going to go to the fabulous St.Angelo Lozado, where my friend Pier Felipe Spoto will give us a full Agriturismo experience. We will Tunisia. We're also going to spend some days in Palermo, which in 2018 was awarded Italy's Cultural Arts Center, one of the hippest cities in the Mediterranean. We're going to meet artists, we're going to meet musicians, we're going to Trust me, this trip to Sicily is life-changing and mind-blowing. I want you to go to rickorlando.com, there's no K in Rick, rickorlando.com to find out more about this trip. It's May 2nd through the 12th, 2020, which is next spring. I'm hosting it. We're working with See Italy Travel. You can come from anywhere in the world because you're going to book your own flight. You're going to meet us in Taorminam. And from the 2nd to the 12th, I'm going to give you the whirlwind tour of the best of what Sicily has to offer. A lot of people say, well, I don't really want to go on a tour with a group. Listen, this is 12 to 15 people. The last two tours I did, New Orleans and Sicily, guests on that tour have become friends for life. That's number one. Number two, I'm going to give you an experience that you may not be able to figure out on your own because Laura from See Italy Travel and I have done the legwork. We've met the farmers, we've met the chefs, we know where we're going to go.